I'm probably not the streamer you're gonna
No, you
want to
are.
find. But if you like dumb things like all of us do here, then welcome, and we will always welcome you with warm hands. Bloodlust 2%. Good job. I couldn't get 2% on it. I up to this day I still think I have 1% on it.
Me too. I may have two, but I think I only have one. I don't know. What time is it?
You think Congregation is the worst level on the list? I have never even heard of that level.
Base Cave Pepe Alive.
Didn't Nepesta have to get 69 on Base Cave?
Yeah,
That's so funny.
that is kind of funny. Not gonna lie. Alright, here we go. Drop.
Far.
At 52.
No! No way I just did that. No way. No way.
Did you do it?
No, I
Did you
didn't.
do it?
98.
No! Whisper! Whisper!
No way.